everyone, welcome or welcome back as the case may be. This is Kristie with AG Takes Over. Just hopped out of the shower, ran down to the basement to film because today is my daughter's birthday party and I want to get this video filmed before everybody gets up. So I've got, today's an unboxing by the way, as the title said. I have 4, maybe 5 packages that I'm going to open. First one, I'm just jumping right into it. By the way, yes, like, subscribe, comment, all those good things. I'm excited to open mail, so we're just gonna dive in. First one is this little box. If you've watched many of my videos, you've probably heard me mention the name Becky Courier Hoffman. She currently sells just through Facebook, American Girl Facebook groups, but hopefully she's opening a store soon, and as soon as she does, you'll know. She makes miniature foods, and she does a fantastic job. These are Christmassy. I don't know what they are because my wife's the one who bought them. So, cute little card. Says, Grace and Kristie, I hope you and your sweet family have an amazing holiday. Thank you so much. Love, Becky. Grace is the one who ordered this, and my name still made it on there, which tells you we probably order a lot from her. Anyway, there's lots of fun glittery packaging in there. See what we got. Oh, this is cute. Told you I didn't know what was in here. So, if I can get that to focus. It's a little candle. It says fresh balsam handmade candle. And it's like a Yankee candle. And it does have a wick. That's good because we had the fall candle cider pumpkin spice or something from Crafty Girls of Avon that we were displaying in the dollhouse before, but I didn't have anything to replace it with. So good thinking, wifey. Aww. I don't know what the title of this was, but it's a really nice, let's see if we can get that in better focus. There we go. She does a lot of these multi-layered desserts, and I just think they're really sweet. They're really sweet. Unintended pun. This one's very Christmassy, very wintry. Some peppermint mocha flavor. They're so cute. All right. Yay, yay, yay. Thank you, Becky. Keeping our dolls well fed. All right, next thing, I'm gonna go ahead and open this one. I'm doing the closed things last, so I have 3 closed packages, but this is also a non-close item from 5 Hen Studios. So this is 5 Hens and a Cockatiel, aka Sydney Paulson. It's the 2023 calendar. Does anybody get these? I mean, obviously somebody gets them, but do any of you get them? If not, you should consider it. It's a really cute thing to have in your dollhouse, and it's a really nice way to support doll photographers. And it's just adorable, so hopefully the pictures will come out well. If not, you can just go to her shop and see them, but 5 Hens and a Cockatiel 2023 calendar. We've got Corinne for January. Like everybody, you like to flip and see what my birth month is June, so we're gonna see what mine has. This is Babysitter's Club, I think. I remember seeing this picture on Instagram. I think that like when you swipe and you see her inspiration photo, I think it was Babysitter's Club. I'm assuming that's a Chronicles of Narnia thing. I don't know. Mary Poppins. These are so good. Somebody can let me know what the inspiration is for this. It's gorgeous. And reaffirms my belief that Tinny has a place in our collection. Some girls on a dock. I am sure there is a inspiration for this one. I don't always recognize them. Oh, wait a minute. That was mine. That was June. Let's look at it again. It's lovely. It's the best one. July. Little bibs. I think I remember seeing the behind the scenes for this. If you don't follow her account, you definitely should. All the behind the scenes things that her mom does, just amazing. I think I can safely assume this is Princess Bride. I do not always get all the pop culture references, but I think I'm good on that one. They're so beautiful. Some Stranger Things. And a lovely Christmas scene. The lighting was gorgeous. Okay. And then just a 2023 at a glance. And the back has recaps of all the pictures. Yay! We still get a little bit more time with our current one in our dollhouse, but we do switch these out every year. So I think this is our 3rd year getting it. Those are the non-clothes things. And now for some clothes things. So this one was not from an Etsy shop. It was from a Facebook marketplace, or no, Facebook group, buy sell trade page. And just a few random things. Somebody was having a sale and I picked up a few cute things. A little beret. Some like felted wool. You can still call wool felted, right? I think that's the thing. Oh, this is, it's totally the wrong season, but we are ready to go. That is really pretty. I don't know who made it because there's no tag. I will say I own another shirt or two in this exact same style and quality, and they're from Jazzy Doll Duds, so that's a possibility. But I also know the patterns get used by several makers, so not sure. It's gorgeous. And just a cute little YouTube shirt. Why not? It was a few dollars. Few dollars to add on to the purchase. Great, so that's package number 1 of the clothes. It's package number 3 of this unboxing. The next one is from Anik's Boutique, also a favorite shop in our household. The dolls are big fans. We got a couple items from this. I know Grace was on this release, so she showed me what she had ordered, but I haven't seen it yet. This is, it snaps in the back, and it's obviously got a kind of striped texture. It's really thick. I think that's what makes it more appropriate for fall and winter. It's like double layered. There you go. This is really nice. Yeah, all right. Go with this one next. Looks like a skirt to me. It is. This is so adorable. Yes, yes, we approve. Nice pleats. Could double as a school uniform. It would be really nice for fall or winter. I like it. My wife has good taste. Right. These, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do them justice on the camera, but I will definitely put them on a doll and take pictures at the end. Are tights, obviously, but let's see. This is the texture. So, those are really nice. Not fishnets, but also not just plain tights, like some kind of something of interest. All right, I think that is just an outfit in and of itself. So that will go on somebody at the end of this video. And next is the last one. This is from Bellaboo's Closet. That's a Canadian shop, and I ordered it while we were on a plane, like getting ready to take off before I had to go into airplane mode, kind of on a whim, and it got in just a couple days after we got back. So I was super impressed with how quickly it got here. And I know we have things from Bellaboo's Closet, but I think they've all been things we bought secondhand. This was our first experience buying directly from them, so really impressive, at least for service and speed. Now let's look at the clothes. I cut things just to save some time. Oh, but I'm gonna have to cut something else anyway. Look at that. They're air packed. Yep, I think I need scissors. First was this. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. It's kind of a multi-toned, so it's darker, more warm here, cooler over there, and the matching hat that has that same effect. I think Leah was modeling this, and I was like, you don't see Leah that much in my, well, maybe even on our Instagram, but I love that doll. She's gorgeous, and I don't know why she's not like all over my videos and all over our Instagram, but anyway, I think this has to go on her because she was the one modeling it. And then, it's so pretty. Why am I never gonna match up to the fashion level of my dolls? Look at this pantsuit. It's so gorgeous. So I think it was pictured with this belt and without it, and I definitely think it would work without it. You could probably put black or white or any other color. She chose to accent the yellow, and if I recall correctly, I'll have to style this a few different ways. She had it this way, and then she also had it tie in the front so that there was a little more going on. Don't mind me. Like that. So I will style it a few different ways. It's a stretchy material. It's not a 4-way stretch material. It looks like it's a 2-way. Is that what you call it? I don't sew. Anyway, when you stretch it this way, it doesn't really discolor. When you stretch it that way, it does. That's not the kind of stuff you want for leggings if you are thick. But the dolls are fine. Oh my gosh. I've seen this style of top a bit more lately, and I was like, I just need to get one. That style, I've seen some with buttons, some without. I like them both. She had both, and I was torn between the two, but after seeing the quality and how quickly things got here, I have a little bit more money in my 2022 budget, so I might be placing another order with her. That's beautiful, and it's not too layered. It's just a very thick material. Everything's serged. Everything is finished beautifully. Okay, so I'm gonna pause this, and I'll be back with some pictures of the dolls. All right, I'm back. I've got everybody dressed and ready to go. Paying special attention to Alexis's YouTube shirt here. It's cute. It was a couple dollars. Cecile is rocking this beret and this angular top. I have zero regrets about my purchases, and these work really well together. Grace, all of this stuff was from Anik's boutique. The tights, the top, and the skirt. Well, I made the necklace, but yes. I, of course, had to steal these shoes from Mary Ellen's collection because cherries, it's a perfect match. She doesn't need this outfit for a while, but she's ready to go. Oh my God. Leah is perfection in this. Not to be dramatic, but holy crap. I love this. And I mentioned that I would style this several different ways. So flat belt,